Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I did this single crochet braids on my natural hair. So if you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. So I started by individually braiding my hair because I don't want the cornrow one, so I want it to be individually installed. And this is the hair I am using. I bought this hair on Aliexpress. Actually, it is a gift from Sugar Mama. Thanks, doing. This is actually my Christmas gift. So NEPA decided to cease the electricity, so I'm done with the back section. Sorry I couldn't show you, but not to worry, I am going to get to that at the front. So this is how the hair is looking so far. Honestly guys, I am sure I'm not the only one that find it difficult to explain crocheting. I just want you to watch the video and just see what I am doing, but for the most part, everyone, I believe most of us know how to crochet, but the trick is to hide the single braids inside your locks. So what I did is just take the crochet pin through my locks, and then crochet the individual hair that I braided, my own real hair, and drag it inside, like just hiding it inside. So that is all I did, and yeah, that's all. That's the best way I can explain. I'm so sorry, but just watch to know what I actually did. So I'm going to tell you this, guys. When I took this hair down, because I have taken it down, when I took this hair down, I lost so much hair. Like, I did not just lose some inches, I lost hair. Like, I don't know, I took it down myself, and I'll just advise you to find somebody to take this hair down for you, because I cut my own hair thinking I am cutting the locks. So I cut my own hair from the roots about 5 places. Like, I cut away 5 different sections all over my hair, and oh my god, it was so devastating. But I am over that now, and yeah, so as you can see right here, this is what I did, and I'm just going to speed this part through so that we can get to the end as fast as possible. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't know why I'm rambling a lot and I'm even out of breath, but yeah, that is all I did. So this is the end, guys. This is what the hair is looking like. Looks so full. I used 3 packs, just 3 packs, and yeah, looks nice, very well, nice. It looks very okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.